Hi, I'm Blankson Anaman. I work with the FCDO in the Ghana office. I'm an economist, and I also lead on our tax program, working with the Ministry of Finance on tax policy, the Ghana Revenue Authority, helping implement their ambitious transformation program, which seeks to transform the Ghana's revenue collection systems, increasing the tax to GDP from about 12% to 16-20% in the next 5 years, and also working with civil society on the accountability side. So gender is it's been a critical element of our tax program. We've been this since 2015. We in Ghana, women businesses would usually be the small and medium-sized businesses. So women would form about 80% of the small and medium-sized businesses. And this is a huge chunk within that category of businesses. But unfortunately, the Ghana tax context is structured in such a way that whether you are a large taxpayer or a small taxpayer, your compliance processes are just about the same. And so at the end, small businesses, which are predominantly headed by women, would pay a higher tax rate in terms of their business size compared to large businesses. And this has had an impact on how the pace of growth of such businesses. And women have complained that the tax policies alone have inhibited their businesses' growth. And if there's more information and simplifying the processes for small businesses like them, that would contribute a lot to their business growth. So in terms of how we have embedded tax in our program and work, I must say that it is a gradual process. In the past, it's been scattered and inconsistent. Our civil society partners have been the furthest in terms of integrating gender in their work. They've done a lot of work reporting women beneficiaries, including women rights group and reform activities, and ensuring that women voices are heard. It's been very limited on the government side, that's on the administration and policy side, and that's where we've identified a couple of opportunities to engage within the next 12 months. So some of these opportunities include for the Revenue Authority, particularly working with them to develop a gender-aware training plan. It's a very male-dominated institution, and most of the training beneficiaries have been male. And so we are working with them. So this is going to be systematic across the institution, ensuring that they give particular attention to women tax officials and support their training, and also how they engage with women businesses in general, which is a case where the South African Revenue Authority does a good job. And on the policy side, I have already spoken about how women businesses are small businesses and the impact of tax has been disproportionately higher. We particularly would want to look at the distributional impact of some VAT, some value-added tax policies on women businesses, and in essence impacting the growth of such businesses, as well as identifying opportunities for policy consideration for improving the design. So within the next 12 months, we will be working with the Ministry of Finance Tax Policy Unit and the Ghana Revenue Authority to pursue some of these opportunities, to ensuring that the impact of tax policies on women businesses are highlighted, and looking at alternatives to ensuring that women businesses grow, and the tax process does not inhibit their growth based on the policies. Thank you.